Thank you to the APA for this incredible honor. To receive the Community Engaged Healthcare Delivery Award is a true highlight of my career so far, not just because of the recognition, but because of the legacy this award represents. In preparing for today, I spent some time learning about the woman this award is named in honor of, Dr. Margie Rosenthal. She was a community pediatrician that was also a force of nature, described as having profound humanism, deep empathy, and a joyful spirit. But the phrase that resonates most deeply with me was her infectious enthusiasm and persistence. That phrase hit home because early in my career, I choose to take it as a compliment, was called affectionately persistent by the executive director of Food Share South Carolina when I worked to bring this fresh fruit and vegetable box program to my community. And it turns out that's exactly what the community needs every single day. To look at systemic inequities and refuse to look away requires a persistence that is rooted in deep affection for the families we serve. I am profoundly humbled to follow in the footsteps of a woman like Margie, who lived by the belief that every child, regardless of their zip code, deserves a champion. I'm lucky to see this championship in action every day as the medical director of the Prisma Health Bradshaw Institute for Community Child Health and Advocacy, our children's hospital community health arm. The work of Bradshaw rests on three pillars: increasing access to care, creating healthier and safer communities, and enhancing health literacy. Whether it's through my leadership with the South Carolina AAP or with the Carolinas Collaborative, or working on the ground day to day to address the needs of our families, I am constantly reminded that this work is not done in a vacuum. We do it through the power of partnerships. I want to thank my colleagues at Prisma Health, particularly my team at the Bradshaw Institute, the Carolinas Collaborative, the students and residents who keep me on my toes, my family, and the APA. Thank you so much.